I want to talk about football. Now, let's just say that there's a high school league out there somewhere, and there are a couple games into the season, and we want to take a look at how the teams are matched up. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at all the scores, and we're just going to subtract the scores. So, for instance, if you had a game that was, say, 9-12, the number we would look at is what's the difference between those two, and it's 3 points. So it's a 3-point difference. So I'm going to give you a list of numbers of just the differences in all the scores and all the games that were played, and then we're going to do some statistics with that. Okay, hold on a second. So here's all the scores. Sometimes I look at lists of numbers with statistics, and just by looking at the list real quick, is there anything that I can say about what's going on in this league? Now, secondly, let's do a box plot. Now, see if you can do a box plot by hand, and also, can you do it on the calculator? That shouldn't take that much time. And then, are there any outliers? And that you should be able to tell just by looking at the list that doesn't look that way. Anyway, but we'll find out. The second part is standard deviation. Now, the standard deviation is kind of a new thing, unless you did it last year, I'm not sure. But I want you to try to figure out by hand what is the standard deviation of this list of scores, and what information does that tell us. Now, what you might want to do is look at page 62 in your book, page 62, and there's an example called How Many Pets, and they kind of walk through how to figure out the standard deviation by hand. Okay, if you do this, it would really give us a nice jump start for tomorrow's lesson, and things will go a lot smoother. All right, I hope you're having a great day, and it's just beautiful, so go outside and do something fun. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.